Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Call center skills for resume. The first skill we have communication, where as a call center representative, you should be able to communicate effectively when dealing with your clients. Always be clear and concise when explaining any information to clients. The next point, you should be able to have good customer service skills. For any call center representative, you should be able to handle customer queries and complaints in a professional and courteous manner, and always providing solutions to problems that the customers may be having. So the second point, we have had customer service. The third point, as a call center representative, you should be patient. Patience is the ability to be calm even if you are handling a difficult customer or a level-headed customer. In any challenging scenario, you should always remain calm and patient in order to understand and also handle an angry or a frustrated customer. So patience is very good for customer service. Then we have active listening. You should be able to listen clearly to what the caller is trying to say and understand their needs and concerns clearly. So this enables you to have a better understanding and a better customer service to be able to resolve more issues more effectively. Then we have problem solving. You should be able to identify and resolve problems in a timely and effective manner. So because as a call center, you will be handling customer service and you should be able to troubleshoot all the issues of customers on the spot. So if you have good good problem solving skills, you will be able to handle difficult or confusing situations on the spot. And as you are because you are a good problem solver, that means you're also you are a creative person. You are creative even to find solution. Then there is a multitasking. Multitasking is the ability to do more than one task at once. As a call center agent, you should be able to take a call on the phone, so talk to a customer on the phone, type issues, talk to your manager, connect with other call center agents. So multitasking is a very important skill. Then we have time management. On time management, you should be able to juggle multiple tasks at the same time. This is so that you are able to keep track of time in order to meet deadlines. So be able to manage your time to understand which caller to call at which point and what time can you finish the call. Then computer literacy is another skill. As a call center agent, you should be computer literate because you need to type what you have talked with the client. You should be able to understand software programs. You should be able to troubleshoot any technical issues when you're speaking with your client. So computer literacy is another point. Then we have data entry. As a call center agent, you should have good data entry skills so that when you're speaking to the client, you are able to put down whatever you are speaking with them in writing. So data entry is also a good skill. Then we have research skills. Are you able to find information quickly and effectively? So if you have any inquiry that you have not been familiar with the situation before, can you be able to find the information so quick and get a solution to the customer? So research skills. Then there is organization. Organization just goes down to handling multiple tasks at the same time and being able to prioritize different tasks at the same time. Then we have typing. Are you able to type fast when you're speaking to your client? Can you type as fast as possible so that you cannot miss any information to be able to speak? When you're dealing with a client, can you be able to get the information and to be able to respond to the same while speaking and also connect with others while speaking to customers? Then we have how can you improve these skills? Always empathize with your caller. So empathize skills, empathizing with the caller or being empathetic is very important so that you may be able to listen carefully to the caller. So always be patient and calm when even you are dealing with any difficult client. And then also speak clearly and slowly so that you don't rush a call. You're not rushing a customer. You are not rushing a caller or a customer when you're speaking with them, yet you need to clearly make them understand what is going on. Always use positive language while you're speaking to your customer. Remember, the customer is always right in this sense. You can use language, language like, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, let me help with you, let me speak with someone so that they may help you. Another thing you should be able to do, you should be able to be flexible. You should always be flexible on when you're dealing with the client. The caller might not be right, but always be flexible to provide a solution to the same. By following these tips, you can improve your skills as a call center specialist and provide better services to your customers. Please subscribe to this channel.